Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Excel is installed and signed in. This gives you autosave and cloud access. Tap the Excel icon, then open a file from OneDrive or local storage so changes sync. Once open, tap a cell to edit, use the on-screen keyboard, or pair a Bluetooth keyboard for faster typing. Make sure touch gestures are active in app settings, because responsive gestures let you select ranges and navigate quickly without extra taps. Now you move into building and editing. Drag to select a range and double tap a cell to enter edit mode, because precise selection prevents accidental overwrites. Tap the formula bar to enter formulas like equals SUM, A1, A10, and use the autofill handle to copy patterns quickly. Once data is set, insert a chart from the Insert menu and freeze panes to keep headers visible. And remember, formatting is easier with pinch zoom, and the condensed ribbon designed to finish confirm autosave is on. That prevents lost work when you switch apps. If you need a copy, use Save As to create. XLSX or Export to PDF before sharing. Once ready, tap Share and choose Link or attach the file, setting view or edit permissions in OneDrive so collaborators get appropriate access. If something breaks, app won't open a file or sync. Restart the app, verify storage permissions, and as a last resort, reinstall the app to restore functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.